Lately, I've been having the same dream over and over again. Somehow, I lose this car. Sometimes it gets stolen, sometimes I crash it, but every single time I wake up, I'm so relieved it wasn't real. I've owned the Z for almost 5 years now. And so long that it's gone from something I own to more of something that's a part of my normal daily life. That's why those dreams, they felt so real. Sometimes I hear stories of, people older than me. They tell me that they used to own a Z and everything, but life happened, so they had to either trade it in or sell the car. While I understand their points, I don't think I could ever bring myself to sell this car. Then I started to wonder, what if I had no choice? What if life happened? What if I had to sell the car? How would I hand over the keys? Would I chase that feeling of just like this car for years after? Would I try to replace it? It isn't the fastest car anymore, and it definitely isn't the newest, but somehow that's never been the point. This car gives me a feeling that I haven't found anywhere else. People who aren't into cars will probably never understand it. To them, it's just transportation. But to us, it's where memories happen. The late night drives, the road trips, the first car meets, and all the conversations that happened way longer than the drive itself. Maybe one day life really will happen. Maybe one day I'll have to hand someone else the keys. And I don't know when that'll happen. And honestly, I hope it's a really long time from now. Because this car gave me more than a way to get around. It gave me memories, it gave me confidence, and it allowed me to meet people that I never would have met otherwise. And maybe that's the funny thing about dream cars. It's one moment they're the car you always wish you could own, and they slowly and quietly become a part of who you are. And maybe that's why it's so hard to let go.